tomorrow I'm gonna be doing a full reset, an all-nighter, and I'm gonna be trying to finish all of my missed assignments. There's a lot, especially computer science. Cup 10 minutes later. School air is fucking real, y'all. Look at how oily my bangs are. Look at how oily my face is. While I clean my face, let's go over the main plan of today. So, because my sleeping schedule is pretty bad, I'm gonna be basically not sleeping for 24 hours. At least trying. I can't guarantee that. And because that's a lot of time to spare to do nothing, I've decided to be working on every single school assignment that I've missed. I've been cleaning, maybe an hour? I never thought I would have that many things in tiny boxes. I threw away some gifts my ex-boyfriend got me, for example, the flowers as well. And god damn, I have a lot of shit in boxes. At least underneath my table is clean right now, but almost done with my bed. God damn, this is taking too long. Am I even gonna survive the night? This is everything else I have to work with. Do you see how messy my desk is? I'm finally done with cleaning, and I ended up putting on some postcards on a wall. The desk, in my opinion, looks, studyable. I'm so tired. I'm so hungry. I feel like I'm losing my mind. It just turned 8. I don't go to sleep yet. Why am I tired? Today, the one day I decide that I'm gonna be trying to reset, be going batshit crazy, going to end up in an insane asylum, or at least it's gonna feel like it. And only now that I remember that drinking coffee does nothing to me. Like, it doesn't make me feel awake. So this is like a waste to me. Why did I buy it? I should have thought. I'm really far away from the camera, but this is the page that I've made about hope. Ignore the chair squeaking, please. Is that better? Alright, y'all, it's time to study. I'm lacking. I have to lock in or else I'm gonna fail. I'm gonna take a cold shower in hopes to wake up. Alright, I've realized maybe I should be studying Chinese instead. because I have an exam coming up. So quick shift, instead of computer science, I will now be doing Chinese.
A few moments later.
Alright, I'm back to studying, but this time I have to be quieter because my mom is sleeping and I don't want to wake her up. So I'm gonna be silently studying. Most likely listening to music in my headphones. Would it be dangerous to take a nap right now? Since it's the morning, sorry, my finger's locked. Wear a tank top, have an entire sleeve, and get women. A mosquito bit me, bit my chin.